Alright, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So this morning I worked on a wire pull for about 2.5 hours with like 4 of the guys. I don't even know where the wire went. I was just kind of spooling it off and helping them feed it into the pipe that they were pulling through. Once I was done with that, went over back to the CHR shop and I went ahead and laid out the countertop. This is just a little app that I use to make math easy for me. So I have to put in 4 quadplexes. So that means there's going to be 5 gaps on the wall, 4 inches for each box, 5 gaps divided by, I think it was like 170 something. That gave me 34.5 for each of the 5 gaps between the quadplexes with like 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch left over. So that's all good. So I got my numbers. Once I got my numbers, went ahead and marked out my cut-in box location to bring the power down for this wire mold and the 4 quadplexes. Don't have all the wire molds, but I went ahead and just got as far as I could with the cut-in box, cut my hole, and I went ahead and did a little 1/2 inch hole up above, or 7/8 hole, I can't remember what size specifically, but I drilled my hole up top in the sheetrock above the cabinet, pushed down the flex. As you can see, there's no insulation, so that's a dream come true for anyone doing remodels. So the flex dropped right down into my hole, which was perfect. I didn't have any strings, so I went ahead and just folded some tape on itself and then put that between the connector and the inside of the flex, and then pulled that down, put my lock ring on. It worked out perfectly. First time I've ever made that trick up. Then I went ahead and cleaned the wall up a little bit because I had some fingerprints on there. And then went ahead and blanked that off and then put the machine back on the countertop where this was, because I had to move this thing to get to it to be able to work here. And this is what it looks like up top. Going back into that same box from yesterday for the power pole, hitting the light strut again. I did zip tie it down. The hole is up a little bit so it wasn't sitting on the cabinet, but I went ahead and zip tied it down to the bar so it goes down and then up. So not the prettiest, but it is what it is. Not too bad. And then from there, lastly, I went ahead and for the first time ever, I drilled into a tile wall, drilling into tile to hang this light. So using, I don't even know what kind of bit it was, but I went ahead and drilled into there, 1/4 inch holes, and then put in the plastic wall anchors, screwed the light to the wall, made that up. As you can see, everything's working, got the cover on. So yeah, exciting times, doing something new for the first time. Glad that all worked out perfectly. It didn't crack the tile. And lastly, I put a little bead of caulk on it because it is next to a shower, just in case any water would ever run down the wall or anything. No water would get inside of the light. But anyways, exciting day, great week, really happy. I feel like I got a lot done and always in a good mood. And always feels good to get a lot done and just kick some crack. You know what I'm saying? Kick some butt at work. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. God bless you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It'll help out the channel. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.